SnipeGoat, baby. Welcome. Yeah, we back. We gonna dive straight in, man. You know, last time you seen me was what, like the 23rd, October 23rd. Dropped my last video, and that last video was showing a recap of the video that I dropped October 1st, calling out the price action that we are currently encountering. And you know how I do. You already know how I do. So we gonna dive straight in. Nice little recap of the call out. Based on this weekly time frame. This is what we call said swing to swing. This bullish price action here was the retracement, and then we were going to get that continuation to the downside. But let the video speak for itself. Established, that means the higher low is solidified as structure, and then price will encounter a break of structure to the downside that will establish and create the bearish expansion from this move. Bearish expansion, bullish retracement, bearish continuation. Coming down, targeting these equal lows, these monthly equal lows here. We have equal weekly lows here, equal weekly lows here. Got the monthly snipe zone here. But all in all, this is the move we are about to encounter. Price creates and establishes its higher high here. This will be weekly internal structure that price then will target to disrespect and break and come for those lows. You feel me? You feel me? You know what I'm saying? Let me go straight to it. You feel me? Oh. Do you feel me though? You know what I'm saying? Let's do a little bar replay. Remember. Swing to swing, retracement, price creating and establishing a structured retracement inside of this swing point here, or these swing points here, swing high to swing low, that coming after what? Remember that range and retracement that I called. I mean, if you follow me, then you know. But we ain't even gonna be all hype with it. The range and retracement, we knew price was going down because after price established these equal highs and equal lows, price targeted the highs first, came down, targeted the lows, giving us this bearish swing point, or these bearish swings points, swing high, swing low, and then price gave this retracement. And with this, it was time to read the retracement. We read the retracement. We knew price was giving us a structured retracement. Some may call it a counter trend. With that being said, price creates a high, higher low, and higher high. Once price created and established the higher high, then the reversal will come and start targeting the lows that was established. You feel me? Beautiful. It's beautiful. Mm-hmm. Look at it. Look at it. It's beautiful. I said a month ago. You know what I mean? A month ago. Told you exactly what price was about to produce. Told you exactly what type of price action we were about to encounter. And price did just that. And currently doing just that. Look at price go. You know, they gonna call it a market crash, but price is doing its due diligence. Price is just doing its due diligence. Mm-hmm. 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 Yes, sir. Mm-hmm. Yes, sir. Here we go. But, you know, we can see full top down, swing to swing currently, and now price is retracing, giving us this retracement. You know what I mean? And then inside of that monthly price action. Feel me? Outside that monthly price action, like I said, high, higher low, higher high. Once this higher high was established, this is internal bullish structure that price will come and target and break. And then price came down into these lows. We got this bounce, encountered this internal retracement here, where price trade internally inside of this bearish candle here, came to the open of that candle, showed respect, continuation, targeting all of these lows. And again, guys, we want to talk about the snipe zone. Prices inside of that monthly snipe zone. Personally, I don't like those levels. You know what I'm saying? I just don't like too many levels on my chart. I like to keep it clear. But yeah, as you can see, price is encountering this bearish weekly expansion here. You know what I mean? From here and still going. Um, yeah, man. So to determine what price is doing here, you know what it is. Scale down to the daily. 1 second. We know what price is doing here on the weekly. Encountering this bearish expansion here. Now, we're going to zoom into that weekly price action. Go down to the daily. And then, yeah, also, just peep game. Remember, inside of that weekly internal retracement. Got that swing to swing here on the daily. And then again, what? Look, structured retracement. A, B, C, D. Oh, man, big guy. There we go. Remember September 30th. I called this. Remember I played this on my last video. Remember, I called this. Exactly what I just showed y'all. You know, as you can see, most recently, price has encountered a weekly bearish expansion. Since then, we can see price producing a bullish retracement that is on the cusp of creating a bullish structured and a bullish structured retracement, though, but ABCD correction inside of this bearish expansion. We then will see price break down to encounter the bearish continuation from its overall move. You feel me? Updated, folks. October 3rd. Look. October 3rd, I said trade is active. It's time for price to start breaking down. October 3rd is right here. Alright? I'll just show them. We're going to keep that in mind. October 3rd, remember. October 3rd, trade was active. You know, October 17th, made a note. And then, you know, here we go. October 3rd, right? Here we go. That's when I made that note. Say get ready. Price is about to start breaking down. October 3rd, we pushed up a little higher, and then boom. Right? This October 3rd right here. Where we at? Okay. So look, peep gang. Inside of that weekly internal retracement, right? We produce this daily structure retracement, ABCD correction. That show inside of that weekly bearish candle on the daily. What did we create? This head and shoulders pattern. You know what I mean? Shoulder, head, shoulder. You feel me? Swing to swing, retrace, price encountered and retested the monthly open June 2025. Remember in my last video I was calling it monthly equal lows, but you know, when I analyzed it even more, you know, I came to the realization like, wait, hold up, I'm tripping. This is a internal retracement on the monthly time frame. Price was encountered this internal retracement inside of this monthly candle here of June. Showed respect at the open. Encountered this continuation, failed continuation, and now, as you can see, the reversal is upon us. With that, price retested the open of that monthly candle, and you know, so on and so forth, as you can see. So currently, swing to swing, retrace, continuation. And as you can see, price is just selling right now. You know what I mean? See the weekly levels, the weekly lows. That price is now breaking below and just retested. Price pushed up, tested the open of yesterday's bearish candle, and this is why we are encountering this bearish move here after the retest of that and the retest of those equal weekly lows. So now we got this level here, 74,500. You know what I'm saying? Equal weekly lows. We got monthly structure here. This is the monthly structure. And so, because remember, price on the monthly time frame is encountering the bearish retracement. We encountered that bullish expansion, and now on the monthly we is encountering bearish retracement, and this is monthly structure. So price is still bullish until it's not. You know, if price don't come and break and disrespect that monthly structure, price come down and show respect here, we can anticipate that continuation to the upside, which, I mean, we already will be, you know, based on the price action that we continue to encounter. So this is what's going on the daily. And then you know how I am, handy dandy 90 minute. This beautiful price action. It is beautiful price action. You know, over and over again. Yeah, baby. We read these candles over here. But look, same thing transpired here on the 90 minute, just like on the daily. You know, got this bearish expansion here, structured bullish retracement. Structured bullish retracement, as you can see, turned out to boom, shoulder, head, shoulder. You feel me? Then price came up, retested the open of yesterday's candle, right? Yesterday's bearish candle, and the equal weekly lows. And now price is encountering this bearish expansion. Let me update that. It goes here. You feel me? So here on the 90 minute, you know, this is right now you just watching. You know, there's not really much that you can do at the moment. You know, we know price is bearish. This is the open of the most recent 90 minute candle. Price can come up, it can kiss that, and this is an entry point that you can yeah, this is right here, 88 600, you can say. This is an entry point that you can capitalize on when and if price come to it, you know, based on the price action. You know, this is just what it is and what it does. You feel me? So we encountering this bearish expansion here on the 90 minute, and that's that. What's the time? Okay. So as you can see, price is doing exactly what I call, you know, order of operations. It's all about understanding market structure and price action. And you too can dictate the market. Take and remove self out and just read the candles for what it is. Read the market for what it is. It's telling you a story. It's telling you. You feel me? Because to determine what price is going to do, you have to know what price is doing. And if you want to know what price is doing, you have to know what price did. And you heard it here first, man. You heard it here first. SnipeGoat, the candle reading guru. Somebody go tell your favorite trader's favorite trader, I'm on.